Okay, let's see how to do these two questions. The first one is we are given f of x, which is negative 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. And then you want to find out f of negative x. If here was 1, so everywhere is replaced by 1. If here x is negative 1, everywhere is replaced by negative 1. And here is negative x. So originally, where was x? Now it should be negative x. You keep negative 3 here, and x replaced with negative x. Keep negative 2, put negative x here, minus 5. You have a minus 5 here. Negative x squared is positive x squared. So you have 3 negative x squared. Negative gives you positive. So 2x positive, and then minus 5. So what's the correct answer? The correct answer will be this one. Negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. Okay? So that's the first question. The second question is you are given f of x, which is 8 times x cubed plus 5x squared minus x plus c. And you also know when you plug in 2 here, you have a value 1. So that's from here. F of 2 is 1. You are given. But from here, you know, if here is 2, everywhere else will be 2. Here will be 2, here will be 2. So then what do we get? 8 times 2 squared cubed. Here was replace x with 2 cubed. And then plus 5 times 2 squared minus 2 plus c. Okay. We do 2 cubed first, which gives us 8, not 6, okay? Because 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 squared is 4 times 5, so 20 minus 2 plus c equals 1. Because you know f of 2 is given 1. Then you can solve for c easily. This one you get will be what? 84. And then minus 2, that will give you 82. Plus c is 1. So we keep going. And we want to get a different color, red. Minus 82 on both sides. What do we get? Go back to the black color. Black color. Okay. So here 82 minus 82 80. You have a C on the right hand side. And here is negative 82 plus 1, so negative 81. Let me write 81 nicely. So I will do 81 negative here. So C equals negative 81. So you want to choose this answer. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time.